Hey guys, it's Lucy Kate and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be trying out this eyebrow stamp stencil kit with you guys. The eyebrow stamp kit has kind of been viral on like TikTok and Instagram for a while now, so I'm going to test it out with you guys to see if it actually works or not. So before we get into the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely hit the subscribe button for weekly content, and here is my Instagram. A brand called UCANBE kindly gifted me these two items. So I think about 4 or 5 months back, I actually tested out UCANBE for the first time. I bought a lip kit and a setting spray for them, and I really enjoyed the brand and they kindly offered to send me some items. So today we're going to be trying out the eyebrow kit. So because we're trying out this eyebrow kit, I haven't done my eyebrows yet. Apart from that, I did all my makeup. So I did my eyeshadow, foundation, cheeks and everything. And my lip color is actually also a UCANBE item. So this is the UCANBE liquid matte lip set. It's like comes with 6 lipsticks and this is shade number 1. And I actually really recommend this lip kit as well. So of course all the products will be linked down below. So before we try it out, let's take a look at what is inside this eyebrow kit. So when you open it, it comes in this pouch and all of the products are inside here. So it comes with 10 different stencils. So there's 20 of them in total, 10 pairs, and each one has slightly different brow shapes. So there's longer brow shapes, shorter ones, thinner ones, so you can kind of like pick and choose. And that is my Frenchie. He's come to join today's video as well. It comes with the stamp to use for the eyebrows. So I believe there's a darker shade, but the one they sent me has blonde and light brown. So my hair is pretty dark right now, so I'd say light brown is the better option for me. It also comes with a dual-ended eyebrow brush. So this side is a spoolie. So let's quickly do that. And then the other side is a brush for your eyebrows. It also comes with like this mini razor and it has the UCANBE logo on it. And then finally it comes with some finishing powder. So this is literally just some white loose powder. So yeah, that is what is inside this kit. So there's quite a lot of items, and on the box it says how to use it. So let me quickly read out the steps for you. Number 1, it says choose the stencil. Number 2, untwist the stamp. Number 3, align the stencil. Number 4, stamp the brow. Number 5, wipe off stencil. And number 6, flip stencil and repeat. These are the steps. So I'm gonna test it out with you guys. So first of all, let's choose a stencil that is going to suit my brows the most. So like I said, there's 10 different stencils and I decided to go with number 6. We're going to align it to the brow. So let's do my left brow first. And on the stencil, there's like, you can adjust it. So there's long part and a short part. So if your brow is shorter, you can start from the short line instead. Okay, so let's align it up like that. As you can see, I aligned my brow to fit the stencil, and next we're gonna get the eyebrow stamp and take the brown side and twist it and start stamping the brows. It says it's better to start from the edge, so I'm gonna just stamp all over. So I stamped the brow, and let's take the stencil off and see how it turned out. This is the brow I just did, and then this is my normal brow. So you can see that there's a huge difference. So the arch is way different, and it just really changes my face shape. If you can see, like the higher arch just makes my face balance look way better. So that is a huge difference, and I literally just stamped. Well, I went over my brow twice just in case. Literally did this in like 30 seconds, not even 30 seconds maybe, and this is how easy you can get a good brow shape. So let's do the same for the other side and we will see the finishing results. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to take the eyebrow stamp and stamp onto my brow. Okay, let's take off this right hand side, and here we go. Wow, so these are my brows. So these are what the brows look like, and I made a mistake, you guys. So the shape is perfect, but I accidentally did the blonde side instead of the brown side. So my brows are looking a little lighter than usual, but Actually, it's not as blonde as I imagined it to be, so I think I can kind of like pull it off. I can get away with it. So if you do have blonde hair, maybe this won't be light enough for you. But this is what my eyebrows look like, and I am so satisfied with the look. Of course, it comes with like a brush and a spoolie, so I'm just gonna like quickly brush my brows out to make it look a little more natural. I am super impressed with this eyebrow kit. Like, I've never tried anything like this. When it comes to eyebrows, I'm usually very lazy. I just do an eyebrow. I mean, if you've seen my YouTube videos, you'll know, but I literally just use an eyebrow pencil and draw my brows. But of course, depending on the day and depending on what my brows are like, I don't usually get the shape that I desire. But with this stencil, like, it's literally so easy to use, and especially with this stamp, you just stamp it on and it's done in 20 seconds. Don't even need to think about the shape. So when you're in a hurry, it's super good. And I love how I got this like really high arch. And of course, depending on how you feel or depending on what your brows are like, you can kind of pick and choose between the shapes. Of course, even if this stamp runs out, you can still use the stencils. As long as you wipe them off, you can literally reuse them countless amount of times. So I really love this kit. I'm actually not sure how much it costs, but UCANBE is a pretty reasonable brand. Like, the lip kit that I got was $12 for like 6 lipsticks. I'm guessing it's about $10 to $12. Of course, I'll link down the product below, but this is a really good kit. And of course, it comes with this powder as well if you want to use it. It's like this finishing powder, but I'm very satisfied with my brows, and this is definitely something that I'm going to be using a lot from now on. Yeah, thank you so much to UCANBE for sending me this product, because I am absolutely in love with it. So yeah, when I got the message, so I received a message from UCANBE that they'd send me some products. They told me it was some random product, so I wasn't sure what I was gonna get. And at first, I have to admit, I was kind of hoping that it would be an eyeshadow palette, but I'm happy that I received this, because this isn't something that I'd usually buy out of my own money. But after seeing it, it's made me really fall in love with this product. And of course, I already have countless amount of eyeshadow palettes. So if you're kind of curious about this eyebrow stamp trend, I know it's kind of been in trend for a while, I definitely recommend this product. There's only one negative thing that I'd have to say about this product, and that is the smell. So the finish and like the application, 100% recommend. Just the scent of this actual powder, it kind of smells like, I don't know how to explain it, but it does kind of have this like chemical-ish kind of scent to it. So if that's something that is a huge no-no to you, then I don't recommend getting it. You know, some cosmetics do tend to have that like lingering chemical-ish smell, and it does kind of happen with cheap products. So that's just one thing that you should keep in mind. But apart from that, it's a really good product. So of course, UCANBE has an official website, and you can buy from there. I personally just buy from Amazon because I always shop from Amazon anyway. So I'll link down the website and the Amazon store down below. Like, they were mainly famous before for doing dupes for like eyeshadow palettes, but they sell all kinds of cosmetic products. They did send me this second product, which was an eyeliner set. So it comes with 3 metallic eyeliners, and I'll just quickly give you a quick swatch of what these eyeliners look like. So there's 3 eyeliners, and the first one is a silver eyeliner, and it looks like that. The second one is called Sapphire, and it's a blue eyeliner, so it looks like that. The third and final eyeliner is amethyst. It's a purple eyeliner. I don't have any eyeliner on today, but if you know me, I usually use black eyeliner, and I have my classic wing, but I literally never do color eyeliner. Like, I've only done it in like photo shoots, so it's gonna be fun to like try and do some, you know, exciting makeup looks using these eyeliners. So I'm gonna try and think of some eyeshadow looks that will go with each of these eyeliners, and I'll film a video. Hopefully I'll upload it this month or next month, trying out these 3 eyeliners to see how it applies and see if it goes well. So definitely stay tuned for that. And once again, a huge thank you to UCANBE for sending me this product. Of course, I'm still a very small YouTuber, and my Instagram, like, I've been regrowing it, but I'm still only at like 500 followers. But so I really appreciate it when brands, you know, want to collab with me or want to send me their products. It's been a difficult journey rebuilding my Instagram, but I really enjoy creating content. So I'd really appreciate it if you could go follow my Instagram and also subscribe to this YouTube channel for content every single week. So that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!